Imagine a full two-story penthouse on wheels, a private rooftop terrace, a home office, and enough electricity to power a small village. And how about a real washing machine right on board? No more hand washing or hunting for laundromats during your trips? This is true off-grid independence. For comfortable sleep, there are two large beds. One massive bed sits in the overcab alcove measuring 2 by 1.5 meters, about 6.6 by 4.9 feet, and the other is tucked away in the cozy rear of the camper. The climate is controlled by a full residential split air conditioning system. And here's the craziest part. This 4-ton, roughly 8,800-pound castle folds into a regular truck at the push of a button and costs less than a brand new base BMW. Sounds like science fiction? In China, it's already reality. Hey everyone, remember our previous video about a two-story motorhome? You absolutely blew up the comments. Everyone loved the idea of a fold-out bedroom on the second floor. But many of you said, the bedroom is cool, but what if it had an open terrace, a balcony for morning coffee, or even a proper workspace with a panoramic view? And you know what? It's like Chinese engineers were listening. Today I'm showing you a brand new masterpiece that takes things to a whole new level. They took a reliable Howo truck chassis, added a Matryoshka-style expanding system, installed a residential AC, and most importantly, built that dream balcony. All of this for a shocking $54,000. So sit back, grab some tea. Today we're going to break down this crazy Chinese transformer RV piece by piece, see what's truly genius, and uncover where the catch might be. Let's go. All right, let's start our review with the foundation. This giant is built on a reliable Howo light commercial truck chassis. In its driving mode, it's essentially a large van just under 6 meters long, about 19.7 feet. Let's take a look at the storage compartment. Besides space for your gear, this is where the heart of the camper is hidden. A professionally assembled electrical system. Heavy-duty switches, a solar charge controller, and circuit breakers. Everything looks serious and built for true off-grid living. Under the body, you'll notice massive steel outriggers, extendable stabilizing legs. Since this is a two-story home, these legs are absolutely essential. They firmly anchor the camper to the ground so it won't sway when you're hosting a party on the rooftop terrace. Right next to it is a standard 220-volt Shore power connection. So if you ever find yourself at a proper campsite, you can quickly recharge your massive battery bank directly from the grid. All right, time to see what $54,000 gets you. You're greeted by a door with a full mosquito screen. An electric step smoothly slides out to welcome you, and the interior staircase with bold neon lighting and stylish finishes practically invites you inside. Come on in. Here we are inside, and the first thing that greets us on the ground floor is a bright living area. Stylish orange leather sofas, a glossy black table. It looks very modern, and there's plenty of space to sit and relax. But let's move further toward the rear of the camper. On the left, we see the door to a full bathroom, and to the right is the path to our main highlight. This isn't just a staircase, it's a transformer, where each step doubles as a spacious storage drawer. Very smart design. All right, no time to waste. Let's go check out our penthouse. We head upstairs and pass through this massive floor hatch. Just look at the size. An adult of any build can easily fit through. The hatch is supported by strong gas struts, so it opens effortlessly, and once you close it, you get a completely flat floor across the entire second level. But the Chinese engineers really outdid themselves. To make things maximally comfortable, they installed a second mini kitchen. Right on the balcony, there's a touch control induction cooktop and a full sink with a glass cover. You can cook breakfast and wash fruit without ever going downstairs. And here it is, the dream open-air terrace. This penthouse space is about 4 to 5 square meters, roughly 43 to 54 square feet. There's a Shakarna lounge area with a huge U-shaped sofa in that signature orange color, plus a central lift-up table. It's the perfect workspace with a panoramic view, or a cozy spot for evening coffee. Now let's talk safety and construction. When the hydraulics lift the heavy solid roof, this expanding mechanism deploys around the perimeter, a sturdy stainless steel railing that unfolds like an accordion. Very solid. As for headroom, on the balcony side, it's open sky above you, and under the roof canopy, the ceiling height is about 1.85 meters, around 6 feet 1 inch, so you can comfortably stand upright. We head down from our terrace back to the ground floor and immediately arrive at the second sleeping area. This is a cozy rear bed, measuring about 1.2 by 2 meters, roughly 3.9 by 6.6 feet, a perfect full-size space for two, complete with its own window, convenient shelves, and soft padded walls. And most importantly, you don't have to deal with transforming furniture every night. This is a fixed bed that's always ready for rest. Remember the stairs we used to come up? Open the compartments and you'll find deep, spacious storage for clothes and personal items, a brilliant use of every last inch of space. And thanks to sturdy locking latches, you don't have to worry about your belongings falling out on sharp turns or rough roads. Right under the bed, neatly integrated, is a full-size Skyworth front-loading washing machine with stylish neon lighting. Step to the side and you enter the main bathroom. It's bright, spacious, and has everything you need. A fixed cassette toilet, a stylish corner sink, a large round backlit mirror, and of course, a powerful ventilation system. The sink faucet pulls out and doubles as a shower head. And thanks to a massive 300-liter, about 79-gallon fresh water tank, you won't have to worry about saving every drop while washing. Step out of the bathroom and you're ready to start cooking. On this premium dark stone-style countertop, you'll find a touch control induction cooktop and a large deep sink, hidden under a cover to expand the workspace. Right above the cooktop is a large window for perfect ventilation, and both below and above, there are plenty of thoughtfully designed drawers for all your kitchen essentials. And to control the entire 4,000-watt electrical system, climate, and the body expansion mechanisms, you've got this central smart home control panel right here. We return to the dining area. The large panoramic window next to the sofas is fitted with a convenient roll-up mosquito screen and a blackout blind, so you can enjoy fresh air without worrying about insects. And right below the window, built-in power outlets are neatly placed, instantly turning this table with cup holders into a perfect workspace for your laptop. Within arm's reach, right behind the backrest of the sofa, there's a tall and spacious wardrobe. It's perfect for storing jackets, backpacks, or bulky shopping items. Now take a look at the main sleeping area in the overcab alcove. This is a truly massive double bed with quilted padded walls and side windows for excellent cross ventilation. For quick meals, a full-size Gallon's microwave is conveniently built in right next to the bed and kitchen. And directly above it, there's another large closed cabinet, perfect for storing dishes or dry food. From here, there's also a direct and very wide promenade to the driver's cabin. Take a look at these premium leather seats matching the interior, the large multimedia display, and of course, the 8-speed automatic gear selector. The multifunction steering wheel and large multi-section rear-view mirrors give you maximum control and excellent visibility on the road. This truck is designed to feel as easy to drive as a regular passenger car. To keep your food fresh on long trips, right by the entrance, there's a dual compartment compressor fridge with a freezer. The placement is perfect. You can grab cold drinks or snacks from outside without even stepping fully inside. Of course, the doors have secure travel locks, so on sharp turns or rough roads, your food won't go flying across the camper. And the best part, thanks to the massive battery bank, it runs 24/7 with no need for gas. And the external electric step retracts with just a single touch using this convenient button on the wall. Let's step outside and walk around to the other side of this giant. Take a look at the massive body. Thick insulated fiberglass walls ensure comfort both in summer and winter. The smooth, sculpted lines of the large overcab alcove are also designed for better aerodynamics, helping reduce sway from crosswinds on the highway. And this is where we reveal another secret behind its incredible space. The entire living area with the sofas is actually built into a huge slide-out section that extends outward. This mechanism adds nearly half a meter, about 1.6 feet of extra width to the interior, turning the truck into a true apartment. But the real magic begins once you're parked. A bit further along on this side, you'll find the filler port for that massive 300-liter, around 79-gallon fresh water tank. And to safely carry this heavy 2-story castle with a slide-out, the Howo base features a reinforced heavy-duty frame and dual rear wheels, built to keep this home stable on any road. Here it is, the modern Chinese approach to travel, a 2-story transformer RV with a rooftop terrace, washing machine, air conditioning, and enough power for a full week off-grid, all for $54,000. Sounds unreal, but it works. Now the big question, what would you choose for this budget? This spacious Chinese transformer or a compact but proven European van? Do you trust these technologies? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If this video impressed you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more RV reviews. Thanks for watching. This was Inside Luxury Campers. See you on the next adventure.